Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to find Instagram friends on Threads. So basically, Threads is well associated with Instagram, meaning that you can bring your Instagram friends into Threads. Now, if you have this certain person on your mind that you want to add, so just click this search icon and search for their name. Now, if you have this certain person on your mind, you have to make sure that they are already here on Threads. But if they are not, then they will not be popping up on the search icon. Now, if you just want to add all of your Instagram friends into Threads, go to your profile. So as you can see here, I don't have any followers yet. Let's click on that. Go to following. And these are the Threads account that I have currently followed. And then on the upper part of the search bar, you will be able to see all. And these are your Instagram friends. Now you can just basically click them one by one. Or I suggest that you just follow them all. Now let's go back and click this followers again, go to following, and now we have followed this one person, meaning that they are already here on Threads. Now let's click on pending. This means that these are the people or your Instagram friends that has not been on Threads yet. So it means that you'll start following these accounts once they join Threads.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.